How to fix Mercedes Benz screen went black. So let's get started. Firstly, Mercedes dashboard display or screen sporadically black. A black dashboard display in a Mercedes could be indicative of several issues. Sometimes, when opening the door of certain models of Mercedes Benz equipped with the AMBUX system, notably the A-Class W177, B-Class, CLA W118 or GLA H247, you may notice that the driver's side screen remains off, or even both screens. So, in order to fix this, ensure that the vehicle's battery is charged and the ignition is turned on. A dead battery or electrical system failure could cause the screen to remain black. Also check the vehicle's fuse box to see if any fuses related to the infotainment system or dashboard display are blown. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with a new one of the same amperage. Sometimes, electronic systems can experience glitches that can be resolved by restarting them. Try turning the vehicle off, waiting a few minutes, and then turning it back on to see if the screen resets. Inspect the dashboard screen for any physical damage as well, such as cracks or water damage, which could be causing the issue. If you find any damage, it may require professional repair or replacement. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.